lettuce, tomatoes, chicken, turkey, rabbit.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! Look, there's so much to be thankful for in 2019, and while we cannot list everything, here are just a few things we're grateful for this season. Let's start with last week. The Nike Paranoise. The shoe hit streams last weekend, and it's already more than 2 times retail, and of course, I couldn't hit. Supreme plated dumbbells. How did Supreme know that a 5-pound gold-plated dumbbell was the final item I needed to complete my entirely gold-plated gym? Shout out Trinidad James. Disney Plus for giving us sweet, sweet Baby Yoda. So adorable he is. Figures of speech, just solidifying this man Virgil Abloh as an artistic genius. That Rolex. GMT Batman on Jubilee. Bringing a new look to a classic design and leaving me dead broke in the process. Kanye. Father Ye. You dropped the new album, an opera, and a new movie all in the same year? My son switched genres, and he dropped the Yeezy 382. Finally giving resellers something to be thankful for with premiums of 150%. We can't forget micro bags and Lizzo. Right, they gave us the fit check of the year at the AMAs. Power to the tiny bags, people. Long live the tiny bags. Kawhi Leonard, the claw. For that horrifying ass laugh, the hey. But let's not forget that dope ass New Balance merch. Did we mention that New Balance sales went up 150% after Kawhi won the finals? I'm dead serious, people. Drake, come here. Closer. You mean to tell me that you didn't check Twitter one time? Not a single time before you performed at Camp Flognaw. To the 6 you go. Travis! The shoes, the merch, the cereal, even this head. This man dropped 3 of the top 5 sneakers this year. Absolute legend. And we cannot forget about Greta. Hit the Greta lips. Can we please get our collective shit together so this girl can live to be at least 35? Please! Iron Man, we love you and we miss you, Tony. Rest in peace. We love you 3000. Let's not forget Black Friday on StockX, where you'll win unlimited free prizes with every sneaker, every streetwear or collectible purchase all Black Friday. Unlimited free prizes every single purchase. And last but not least, what we're thankful for the most is food. Those yams, them greens, them beans, that mac and cheese, that turkey, the mashed potatoes, that sweet corn, that cream corn, that corn, that cobbler. Peace. I gotta go eat. Happy Thanksgiving. Finally giving resellers something. Finally giving resellers something.